In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your GoDaddy website builder. This can be an invaluable skill if you're looking to tailor your website to fit specific needs and enhance its functionality. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. First, let's start by heading over to GoDaddy's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in godaddy.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, and go ahead and click on it. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and fill these in with your GoDaddy account email and password. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are secure, so do check that you're on the official site and not a phishing attempt. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account page where you can see all your GoDaddy products. Here, you'll want to click on Website to manage your website builder options. Next, look for the option that says Edit Website and click it. This will open up your website builder interface. Once you're inside, you'll notice a lot of functionality and options at your disposal, but for now, let's focus on adding a custom code section. Find the Add Section button, typically located in the menu or toolbar, and click on it to proceed. In the search bar that appears, type HTML and hit search. You should see an option for adding an HTML section to your page. Select this and then click on the Add button to place it onto your website layout. Once the HTML section has been added to your page, you'll be prompted to enter a title for this section. While this part is optional, a descriptive title can help you quickly identify this section later on. Enter your desired title and move on to the next step. Now, it's time to enter your custom code. This part is crucial because the code you add here will dictate how this section behaves and displays on your website. Make sure to double check your code for any errors before proceeding. When you're satisfied with your custom code, locate the Done button and click on it to save your changes. Before publishing your website with these new changes, it's wise to preview how it looks and functions. Click the Preview and Publish button to see everything in action. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish your site with confidence knowing your custom code is up and running. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to customize your GoDaddy website with custom code. Whether you're adding a new feature or just tweaking aesthetics, understanding this process opens up a whole new frontier of possibilities for your website. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!